Again, my name is Dave, a podcaster here in Dave's Academy, and in this week, on the weekly tips, we are going to cover customizing Microsoft Office tabs. We will discuss how to create custom tabs and merge it with our daily workflow. So without further delay, strap your seatbelts and let's begin. So this week, we are going to discuss about the Microsoft Office tabs and ribbons. We have a tab. Then underneath the tab, we will be having a ribbon. And in that ribbon, we have a group. And in that each group, the commands, the functions have been inserted to execute various processes. Say in this case, I'm here in the Home tab. You can see that. And underneath that, we have a clipboard. That's a group. And the slides, the font, the paragraph. Microsoft customized these tabs in accordance with their version. But most of the time, it's not be practical for people working in different work environment. Say one person is working on a typing center, he has to have access to a lot of commands which enhance the typing application, such as the fonts and related things. So we need a customization of our ribbon to enhance our own workflow. So what I normally do in Microsoft, I'll keep something which suit my workflow. So let me show you how to do that. In this case, you can do it in a couple of ways. I'll show you the first way is just to go to the File menu and go to Options. So here we have all the commands which is available in Microsoft. Now we have the popular commands. So if you change that popular command to the all commands, we have a huge bundle of commands which is available in Microsoft Office. So you can see that's around thousands or even more commands are available. So in the same way, at the bottom portion of this, you can see that a new tab and a new group and a rename, that options are given. So if you need a new tab, you can just click on that new tab and which open up a new tab for me, Dave. Okay. So now we created a new tab, which is name. So in this case, I just want to keep it on the top. By using this arrow to move up or down, move it down if you need, or if you want that group to be on the top of Home tab. In this case, I just want to keep it on top of Home tab. So now the custom tab has been created. I just want to keep, say in this case, 3 or 4 groups. So I'm just adding one group and I'm just going to name it. And in this case, I'm going to give a name like font. You can give in accordance with your preference. There is no problem with that. So font. Then I'm just going to create one more group underneath that tab, that is animation. I'm just going to rename that, say animation. Okay, so one more I'm just going to create for the sake of this video. Okay, custom group. The font, okay, let me add some commands. You can add any command, whichever you need in accordance with your workflow. In this case, I'm just going to add shadow. Then I'm going to add a shape fill. Then I'm going to add one more command in this spin button. Okay. And the other one is like track. Fine. So in animation, I'm going to add texture. I need that texture. Then if you need time. So there is no compulsion. You can add anything, whatever you need out of this hundreds and thousands of options available. You can add whatever you want. So now you can see that I have a custom tab available in my Home tab before the Home tab, that is Dave. And in that, you can see that I just created some groups like fonts, animation, and if you need, you can even add more groups on that. So I had a couple of commands in this: shadow, shape, spin button, the textures under the animation. So everything is available. So this is how you can customize your tabs in Microsoft Office. So by this, we are winding today's session. Weekly Tips is an initiative from Dave's Academy to help people out there by providing tips and techniques every week on professional topics, which comes in handy. So if you want to dig deeper or have more queries, you can always contact me on dave757@gmail.com. Or you can be part of this great initiative following our Facebook page at Dave's Academy. You can expect some oil and gas related topics soon on this page, so just tune in and do visit our page. Now it's time to sign off. Enjoy your weekend.